Alright, y'all know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. If you guys are new to the channel, this is what we do here. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, all that good stuff. If you're into that type of thing, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, comment, all that good stuff. Today we have a 2012 Mazda 6 and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. First thing you want to do is grab your panel removal tool, come down here to the cup holder, and we want to put our panel removal tool kind of like that. Come here on the side, try to pop up some of those clips to remove the cup holder. It's only held in by clips. Bring that up just a taste. Alright. That comes off like that. Jeez, I had a little tough time with it. Now, next thing we want to do is we can go ahead and take this middle piece. I don't really think that we absolutely have to take it out, but let's go ahead and do it because it's just popped. This is only held in by clips. Take that out and make everything easier. Now, next thing we want to do, these actually come off. I'm gonna use my hands. You can use your panel removal tool, or I like to use a little light pressure because that thing is only held in by clips. And we're gonna set that thing right there. We got one on the right and one on the left, so I'm gonna come right up here and do the exact same thing. Just use some light pressure and pull that out. If your clips are in there a little bit tighter, then you definitely want to use your panel removal tool. Next, we want to go ahead and remove the silver trim. So this is just held in by clips, and that thing is just popping away. So let's go ahead and see. Yep. What's up? Now we do probably want to stick the key in and put it in the lowest position. So we'll be put that down. We're actually able to move that out the way. Alright, only one harness in the back. Alright, y'all, next thing y'all want to do is come up here. Now I like to take my little flat profile and come up under here just slightly, because there are some clips in the front. I don't want to actually mark anything, so I'm just doing it kind of light to get those clips out. And I come back with my plastic panel removal and really do some digging. Now I just want to pull this thing from the top, held in by clips on. So I'm just gonna move it at the top. That's all I did. I just took it at the top. It's sitting there nice, not bothering nobody. So next thing I want to do is go ahead and take these 4 screws out. You probably don't need to, but this part of the CD player is sitting behind that piece, so I don't want to have to try to wiggle that out. So just remove. Just so we can get a little bit more space. All right, y'all, I had to turn my light on, so I'm pretty sure that these two go to the radio. Looks like we have a, I don't know if that fits a 10 or 9. It looks more like an 8. Yeah, so that's like a, either way, that's a Phillips. That's a 10 mil. Why did you do that? I have no idea. But we also have 2 Phillips right here at the top, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Now that we got all those out, slide out just like that. Go ahead and take all these harnesses out real quick. Alright, so that's it, man. Got those harnesses out. We are looking at that radio. Now let's go ahead and get this dash kit put together and CD player wired up and see what it looks like when it gets done. Alright, y'all, so this is how the dash kit comes already. You have two there's a bar that's in the middle. You just cut the bar out. They put a bar right there because if you're going to do a single DIN, you can put the pocket at the bottom that it comes with, but we're doing a double. We're going to take this and put it on this side. Just kind of clip it on like so. Boom. We're going to do the exact same thing to the other side. I promise you I'm probably going to stop doing these just to show you how to, it's just super easy. Even when it's a lot of stuff to do, it's just easy. Now this one does come with an extra piece. You do have to put it on like this. Once you put that on, it comes with 2 small Phillips screws, and we're just going to screw those screws into the hole that they came in. Slide that thing on there, and then you want to come and take the screws that came with your radio and just screw them in on the side. I promise you, these things are so easy. I'm probably gonna stop doing this in the videos. I'm too serious. But I'll take your old clips off the old radio, put them on this one. Be careful, because I don't think this dash kit comes with any clips, and I've already broken one, so be careful when you're taking those off. Let's go wire this thing up, put it back in the car. All right, y'all, so we are back in the car. One thing I want to let y'all know, when you are putting this in, let's just take this out. Don't try to put this this part like back further than what it is. It's supposed to sit here. This thing does go at an angle, and as you can see, it's nice and flush. Not necessarily like flush, like flat flush, but it has that one little seam, just like how the factory radio did. Looks exactly how it looks like we never took it out. Now, one thing you got to do is make sure you're careful with those clips, because the clips is literally the main thing that's holding it in, because we don't have those screws anymore, because you don't need it for that dash kit. So when we put the pieces like this back on, and yeah, so when we put like the AC back on, and then we drop this and put this back on, it's going to help lock this in. So just be mindful of that. Now, I know what you also think, and I didn't actually go over how to wire up the radio. The reason I do that is because on this channel I do a lot of radio removals, and it's the exact same way every time. So I don't want to put that in each and every video, because that'll make these videos super duper long trying to explain it. But what I did for you guys, I made one video showing y'all how to wire up a radio. Click that card in the corner over there, or the link is down in the description, along with all the products that I'm using. Links will be in the description as well. So if you want to know how to wire up a radio, you have that video, and then I can keep these short, sweet, straight to the point. Let me finish putting this back together, and we'll be back in a second. All right, y'all, so that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out.